We're gonna go ahead and use a highlighter. I'm using the NYX Buttermelt highlighter in the shade Glazed Butter. I believe this retails for about $12. And here I am gonna take my Morphe brush M383 and I'm just essentially going to apply this in the inner corners of my eyes, like this. I also like to apply it underneath my brow bow a little bit, just to give it like a little bit of shine in there. There we go. Next, we're gonna be doing our powder products over our creams to set the face. Here I am going with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Deep Bronzer. I believe this retails for $13. Using my Morphe M241 brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this wherever I applied the contour or cream bronzer earlier. One trick I like to do is I go ahead and flatten out my brush like this, and I'll go ahead and apply it on the lid and just kind of drag it. I feel like it gives it like a lifted effect to my eyes. Then we're gonna set our cream blush in place. I'm gonna be using the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Sparkling Rosé. If I'm not mistaken, this retails for $10. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply it with my IT Cosmetics Flawless Blush Brush in the number 227. Be careful when picking up this blush. It is very, very high pigmented. So I just dust the excess off and I'll go ahead and apply it wherever I applied that cream blush. Then I know this is kind of weird to go with concealer after my powders, but that's something I like to do. I understand makeup has no rules. Maybe you like to do it differently, but this is just how I like it. I feel like it gives it a more blended, seamless application. And I just essentially go with the concealer right here at the end. I'll apply this underneath my nose because I suffer from some redness there, in my forehead and chin. I like to blend out all the other areas before my eyes first because I like to let that sit for a minute. I feel like it creates a more like full coverage concealer and it creates less creases as well. After we're done applying that, we're gonna go ahead and set our face with some loose powder. And here I am gonna be using the L'Oreal Infallible